C is a special word. I ran this last night. So I guess what I'm going to do is copy what I ran last night and see if I can still get it to work today. So I'm going to take what I wrote previously, for some reason I can't even do that at the moment. Now I can. Okay, copy that. And then I'm going to replace this part right here with the original that I had. And we'll see if that works. And it does. Nothing went wrong. I don't know what I typed wrong before. If you look, this is exactly what I had a minute ago, and the machine refused to accept it. If you look here, it was the same kind of thing. So I can't figure out what I did wrong before. But now I have to prove to you it worked. So I'm going to go over here. I called the file, I think, couts, if I remember correctly. And it should be, yep, right there. I just modified it, and there it is. Now, it's not perfect. It's not line by line. We would have to work on that. But you can see that it does read in the entire file. That's amazing. With one line, I read in the whole file, not just one line of it, the whole file. That's quite good. Now, I'm going to try one more program, and I hope I had written last night, and we'll see what we can do with it. There's another kind of file called a JSON file. This file actually comes from Java. And again, we can read it. We can actually read it off the web. But I copied the file, so I had it here. It's a type JSON. And again, I copied it for read. And now I'm going to read it in, and then eData turns it in to a dictionary. So it turns it into that. And now if I try running it, I got to give it a name. Dictionary keys, the key it got was quiz. There was only one thing there. Again, this is a very powerful tool. It allows you to play around with many things. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put out for you a file right here that contains not only all these things I just did, but a summary of the chapter, and at the very top, most importantly probably, a set of references. These are references that you can use to look at what I did. So I'm hoping that I will post this very shortly. I'll let you know. I hope it works. Thank you. Now, that sound in the background is my cat. She is